So today is a rainy day in Tokyo, but that is not going to stop us from having a wonderful day today. And we're starting it off. I'm waking up at our hotel at Intercontinental Tokyo Bay, and it's a really good location close to the train. So this is perfect. And I'm starting my morning off actually going to the gym. I have a training session with a student of mine that is a fitness trainer, and she's Japanese, and she's going to meet me here at the hotel. And this is where we're working out for about an hour and a half. So I kind of started my morning early, a little jet lag, but this was a great way to get started. While I was in the gym, my husband decided that we definitely needed umbrellas. So he went to the Family Mart and decided to go ahead and get himself a little snack, but also wanted to get two umbrellas for us for the day. We really enjoyed going to Family Mart, Lawson, 7-Eleven during our trip to not only to Japan, but also to some of the other countries that we visited. The convenience stores were very convenient and they had so many different treats. I also even got medicine when I needed some. So this was a really great way that we spent some of our time during this trip to Asia because we both really like convenience stores and they had some really good fruit there, fresh food. So it wasn't just a lot of snacks. It's actually some food that was actually really fresh and good. So we were really happy to be able to use convenience stores throughout our stay. So today we are going to go ahead and have a really great day today with some of my students that are also my friends. One of them could be like a daughter to me. So we're really looking forward to having a wonderful day. So we start off after working out and getting freshened up and leaving our hotel. We are going on the train for the first time. So we're super excited about being able to do this train ride today and also go ahead and meet our students. And it's great because today we're actually just taking their lead. Everything that was planned today was planned by them and they were so hospitable. We're just excited about this day. So it was a lot of fun. And so now I'm looking to go ahead and meet Misa, who is one of my students who actually came to visit me in America. So that was really wonderful. So now she's hosting us for the day. So that was great. Her and Miho will be spending the day with us, and Miho's sister. So we are looking forward to this. So one of the mistakes that we made was this right here when I was going the wrong direction, but I didn't realize it that that was for exiting. And if you are leaving, you actually need to go ahead and rescan. So later we found this out because he actually had to help me again, as you will see here. So he just confirmed that we were in the right spot to meet Misa. So we did not need to move any place. We just need to look out for her. And I was communicating with her through WhatsApp. And then finally we saw each other and we're very excited. Um, but again, I kind of went the wrong way. I did not realize that I needed to rescan our Suka card. So we went back and did that. So the first thing that we're going to do at this point for today is we're going to lunch. So we were really excited about having a traditional Japanese meal, which we did, and that was really fantastic. So we went ahead and enjoyed our lunch with Misa, Miho, and Miho's sister as well. And it was just a really nice time that we spent. And my husband enjoyed the ramen, but I also enjoyed the food that I had. I had shrimp, I had chicken, we had some just delicious tempura. vegetables as well. The whole meal was absolutely delicious. A great way to start our day today. After lunch, we decided to go through and have a little tour in the Tokyo Station. The Tokyo Station is famous. It is has a lot of history. It's absolutely beautiful, and there's so many different things happening there at the Tokyo Station. So even though Tokyo Station is extremely busy, I think it's great to go here because in this busyness, the hustle and the bustle, you actually can really take it all in. You really feel that you're a part of what's happening and you're in this city and you're really feeling the beat of the city, right? The people moving here and there. There's so many different treats of. So definitely need to look at signs. You need to make sure you know where you're going. So after Tokyo Station little tour that we did, we decided to hop on our bus. And this was already scheduled by my students and it was perfect because this was not a hop on hop off bus. We actually were staying on the entire time. So it was great because it was raining and so we still went on top. They gave us raincoats and we had um, some translation for the tour guide. So we listened to that. And it was just beautiful to sit in the bus and just take in the city and enjoy the beautiful, rainy Tokyo day. So after the bus tour, then we had to get and back onto a couple more trains and a taxi ride actually, because we were going to see a performance that was found by actually one of my students suggested it, and it was in the town that she lives in, right inside Tokyo, but a little bit outside of the city area. It was great, and we just had such a great time watching this drum performance. Unfortunately, of course, we can't film while we're inside watching, but I did get some footage from their website so you can check it out. And guess what? They are coming to the US, so you can actually see Drum Tayo here in the US for 2026. So it was a wonderful day today. We actually just had such a great time that we are so thankful and grateful for everyone spending this time with us while during our trip. And I can share it with you guys. So as you can see, today didn't need to be a lot of hustle and bustle, even though we had some of that for sure. But in that, the rain just kind of made it this little really great day that we just kind of relaxed. And I hope that I showed you guys some places and some things that you might want to do on your next trip that might not necessarily be the regular tourist activities, but definitely enjoyable.